एक्चुअली 2 दिन के लिए मैंने एक्सीडेंट है, देखिए इंजरी मार्क्स है मेरे हमदे में।
Along with that, I got hurt here on my legs and in many other places, here and here.
और बाबी सिचुएशन के लिए बाबी जी के मोबाइल फोन टॉप ही है। ये एडवेंचर ट्रिप है।
I'll take you guys along too. It's up there and it's amazing. The thing is, guys, after climbing up so much, look at how big this lake is in such a huge area.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर व्लॉग। हेसियो अंतर है। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। समथिंग अनएक्सपेक्टेड हैपेंड हियर टुडे। व्हाट कैन आई से? एंड देयर आर सम पीपल हु विल नेवर चेंज। सम पीपल आर जस्ट लाइक दैट, दे ओनली टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज। लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट हैपेंड। एक्चुअली 2 दिन का हद में एक्सीडेंट है। हाँ, लुक एट माई हैंड्स, देयर इज एन इंजरी हियर।
There are marks here, and I got hurt on my legs too, in several places, here and here.
On this hand, right here,
It was a minor accident, not a major one. Divyans Baba was with me.
it was also there. So Divyans.
While trying to save Baba, I put my hand on his head like this, right?
इस रोड
मैं स्किड कर देगा था, उसके बाद मेरा हैंड और ऑल स्क्रैप करता है। और दिस इंसिडेंट हैपेंड ऑन द 21st अराउंड 11:30 इन द मॉर्निंग। सो एज सून एज दिस एक्सीडेंट हैपेंड, एवरीवन ran to pick me up and pick up the baby. Our neighbor, whom you'll see in the upcoming vlog, she also came running. So she said that her mobile is at her shop, which is currently closed. So here,
ये तो टेबल है, ये मोबाइल है.
leaving it.
Ran here. Later, taking the baby.
Went inside the house and taking advantage of this opportunity, our neighbor's phone was stolen. The mobile hasn't been found yet. आज हाँ तकता वो बता है, भैया आप फ्रेंड भी सकते हैं, हम एक पुलिस रिपोर्ट बचाते। We are also tracking the mobile, entering the IMEI number to see if we can find it or not. The phone hasn't been switched on yet, so the mobile has been stolen. So that's what I'm telling you. People's mindset, their nature doesn't change. People will behave according to the kind of person they are. There were quite a few people here who went to help me.
Alright, Pat.
One of them had a different intention and he noticed there was a phone lying there. Now you tell me, what kind of people live in this world? And these are the things happening in life. That's why yesterday was Buddha Purnima and from here there is only one hill called Pokhuri Jayanti. So we went there to offer prayers. Yesterday was an auspicious day, the day of the full moon, and a lot of people from here go there. So I made a small vlog about it too. You can watch that as well.
And right now we are climbing up by trekking. We will go to the temple on top of the hill and offer prayers today because today is Buddha Purnima. As you can see, a lot of people are climbing up and there are people below as well.
Since your sister-in-law Kanchi is here, I thought this is an adventure trip, so I'll take you along right now.
It's uphill भैया. I am really tired, but ये भैया नहीं बना tired नहीं. He's got a lot of energy. Sister इल्ला दिखा ली कोई और या को कली ने कंसी और पिछले आके 80 फीट खी ना सके मन लोग और अब याके आ पर क्या आमा उस बगी में पर्दा दूं पर ये सकते. This is serious. Do it. My throat is dry. Now we'll drink water. My way he ate water. Who eats water? Get up! You don't eat. You don't get to see God that easily. You have to work really hard. I'll show you. There will be an amazing view ahead. You have to work this hard for a little enjoyment. Let's go up and see now. After taking a short rest, we have moved ahead. Started climbing up and we have to climb even higher. Look up, I'll show you all. Look here, this is how a person has to keep climbing up. It's not a temple at a great height. It's Pokhuri. Pokhuri means a pond. That's what they call it. There are fish there too and people go there to pray. It's been about 20 minutes climbing up, right? Now we've reached quite close to the destination.
Please subscribe. दो चीज से बात कर रहे हैं. So before we offer prayers, after working so hard for so long, just look at this view we got to see. Look at this view.
A-I-S-H.
So guys, finally I'm reached the destination and this is the view here. Look at this and see how high up in the mountains we are. This is a lake here.
In Nepali, it's called Pokhuri, and that's how this place got its name, Pokhuri. People come here to worship and you can see fish here.
But you can't touch them.
But you are not allowed to touch them. So guys, I'm completed the puja. You can see there's quite a crowd, and as time goes on, the crowd is getting bigger. The puja will continue here all day until the evening, and from there to here, a lot of idols have been placed. Everyone is doing puja there, and after the last puja here, more people arrived. It feels crowded and suffocating. That's why your Kashi sister-in-law. Sister-in-law Digrin's Bhava, my brother's wife, and everyone else are here.
We fed bait to the fish, the puffed rice we brought, but all the fish are really big, man. You can't really tell on the phone, but if you look with your own eyes, then you'll realize how big these fish are. So after finishing the puja, it's time to head home for now. Guys, alright, it's getting crowded right now, and we've also brought Divyansh Baba along. We can't stay here for long because we have to go down, and it's quite a steep slope too. And the surprising thing is, guys, we are so high up on this hill, we have climbed so far up the mountain. After all that climbing, just look at how big this lake is, spread out over such a huge area. Alright, look at this, just look at the view. Even your eyes are telling you how amazing it is. This lake never dries up, that's why there are a lot of restrictions here.
Afir parege yo maza permission teda thiki isla se rete stipti halai ha tal se am to ham le mane ka tigata.
For outsiders, it's a bit hard. They won't let you pass without permission, but it's easy to get. And all these things are happening in today's life. What has your experience been? Be sure to tell me in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.